let's have another dessert cocktail. Okay guys, today we're going to create the Toblerone. Now this drink was actually created for the iconic candy bar, the Toblerone. And actually when you garnish it, it should be with shavings from a Toblerone bar. Basically take a like a peeler like this or a microplane and you can grate it alongside or grate it on top. Unfortunately I don't have that, but I do have everything else. Actually, there's two things I don't have on the garnish, but it's alright. We're still going to have the basis of the drink right here. So, I've never had it. I think it's a variation, kind of like on the chocolate martini or any other dessert cocktail that we've had. So I expect it to be rich and maybe a little bit different because we're using a different ingredient than we've used in the past in Frangelico, which is an almond liqueur. Never had it, so let's go ahead and get into it. It is, of course, a shaken cocktail. So grab your shaker, and I need a ½ ounce of honey syrup. This is 3 parts honey, 1 part water. Need 3/4 ounce of Frangelico. Also need 3/4 ounce of Kahlua. The recipe I'm using actually calls for Kahlua, so I'm going to use it. If you want to use Mr. Black Coffee Liqueur, go ahead. I'm just using Kahlua because it calls for it. And I need 3/4 ounce of Irish cream. Typically Bailey's. Again, like last time, I'm using Carolyn's. And now I need 1 ounce of heavy cream. Grab your ice in, add your cocktail, pop, soft shakes. Oh, nice. There you go. It's stuck to the bottom. Weird. Cool. That'll work. Take a Nicanor, place in, Hawthorne, and strain. As I said, the garnish on this actually would be, before I even begin, would have been to take some chocolate syrup, dunk the rim of the glass in, and then let it chill and set. And then when I finish making the cocktail, grate on a little bit of Toblerone. I don't have those, sorry, it is what it is. But the basis of the cocktail is here. This is a Toblerone. Cheers. Whew. Okay. This can satisfy a sweet tooth. It does, actually. It's strictly a dessert cocktail. There's no other way to say it. It's strictly dessert. Just like the chocolate martini or the apple Alexander or anything else that utilizes an egg white or heavy cream. This is good. It works. I like it. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and also share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check the links down below. They're Amazon affiliate links, which means that if you click a link, make a purchase of that item, I receive a bit of the kickback. Thank you in advance. You can find me on my socials right here. Try to be on my personal Twitch now, twitch.tv/ScottWSmith. Try to be there Saturday nights. Get there, cool. Not, it happens. You know how it goes. Until next time, thank you for watching. I'll be back real soon with another cocktail. And this has been The Beginner's Bar.